Alright my guys, Budger in the Wunya. You're going to Awabakal. I'm up here today at Catherine Hill Bay. You notice I'm on foot because there's actually trail cameras and that in this area and you're not supposed to be driving through here. So if you come out to Catherine Hill Bay in your 4B, park it up, go for a walk. I'm out here today with Nathan and we're going in search of the old army bunkers out here and then head out to the coast and basically just have a look around. I've never been out here before, so it's all a bit of exploration. And yeah, nice day out. So hope you enjoy the video guys and let's get moving. So we're only about 100 metres into the track and unfortunately this is typical what you're about to see, and unfortunately this is why areas like this have been closed. Now for the moment, yes, we are walking past them, but we are planning to come back at the end of the trail and pick up what we can. But when you see what's just up in front of us here, you'll understand why we can't pick everything up. Now you can see all the barricades and everything to stop cars getting into these areas and ripping up the bush and trashing the area. But you know, it's still not stopping people. And look at this shit. Doesn't look like half of this stuff's been here all that long either, to be honest with you. You know, we've had a lot of rain and the cardboard's in still reasonable conditions, so I don't think most of this has been here all that long. That's exactly why we get locked out. So yeah, enough of the rubbish. Let's just enjoy the rest of the beauty of the place, eh?
Birds are beautiful.
I have to say, looking at these trails, I can see why they're so popular with four-wheel drivers, but at the same time I can also see why they've been closed, and I don't blame national parks or whoever it is that's closed them, especially with the amount of rubbish being dumped. But there'd definitely be a lot of fun for a four-wheel drive out here for somebody that wants to tackle some of the tough stuff, just like what's in front of us here. Yeah, just looking at that. a big turret or something. There'd be a spot for it. Well, that's what this is, technically.
We're not doing anything. We're not doing monkey burnouts.
Yep.
Everyone got in, just wanders around, has a look at all the colours, as you go. No one's hurt anything. No one's doing big burnouts as they're leaving the car park.
Yep, basin. No, there's no burnouts or any that sort of stupidity coming out of there.
Just red-headed one. Have a look at this, come on.
Wonder what's forcing them up. This will be what runs in down onto those rocks. It'll be green, but very tropical little thing with the little palms and that growing in. Lots of melaleuca. That's all sorts of nug.
All sorts of nuts.
I think Nathan's about to bust in his pants over how clear the water over here apparently is. So let's go have a look and see if it's as clear as he's making out. Holy shit. Okay, so I'm certain this won't show on camera. Won't be reflected on camera anyway. But you can see probably 6, maybe 10 metres down into that water. Yeah, I have to say Nathan was spot on with it being fucking clear. That is beautiful. And just imagine spending a day in there, bring a boat in there or something, just sit down and fish and have a swim. Absolute heaven in the middle of summer. Now I'm not actually heading down there, but Nathan's down there, so you'll see his clip coming up now. I've been noticing today my shoes have been getting a little bit slippery, so I don't fancy trying to climb down steep rocks. But Nathan's got much better traction than I do, so he's down there at the moment getting a bit of footage, which you should be seeing right now.
That is absolutely beautiful water. As clear as clear. Plenty of rod holders being cemented in down here. Way up there's where that ladder was. This is magic. See this stain all the way down into the water down there? All the way up the gully. There's a little creek up there we've just crossed over. There's Michael up there hiding, too scared to come down. Give us a wave.
Well, it's one way to spend the day.
Oh, well, at least you're having fun.
There's a few blues in there. I have to say, that is one awesome bloody rock pool. If you get out here, check this bloody thing out, eh? It's there's spots there where it's a good bloody 4, 5, maybe 6 meters deep. It's massive. Sure, there'd be plenty of blue ring octopus in there, so definitely if you decide to go for a swim in it, be careful. But even this spot I'm standing next to here, that's probably near on 2 meters. That's bloody awesome. Be absolutely amazing spot through here to go snorkeling.
Pretty butterfly. Well guys, that's it for that walking trail. Hope you have enjoyed that one.
It was bloody beautiful, from dense gums and dense dry bushland down into rainforest and out onto the beach or the rocks and everything else. That was an amazing walk. A bit tiring, about 6.5k round trip or something, but yeah, really beautiful walk. And those old army bunkers were absolutely awesome. So, alright guys, again, hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please remember to leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Now, as always guys, take care, peace, and I'll see you on the tracks. Yano! Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't already hit subscribe, please click here to do so. And check out the video up the top here. YouTube reckons you'll like that one. Alrighty, see you on the tracks.